When buying a home, you might hear the term appraisal gap. Let's break down what that means for your mortgage and closing costs. An appraisal gap is simply the difference between what you offered to pay for a home and what an appraiser says it is worth. Lenders will only base your loan on the lower of the purchase price or the appraisal value. This leaves a funding hole. When a gap appears, you have four main paths. You can pay the difference yourself, negotiate, or walk away from the transaction. It is important to remember that lenders care about the appraised value because it protects them if you stop making payments. This chart shows how a gap increases the cash you need at closing. It is money paid on top of your standard down payment. A contingency is your safety net. It allows you to back out or renegotiate if the home does not appraise for the offer price. Understanding appraisal gaps helps you prepare for the realities of the housing market. Thanks for watching, and stay informed on your financial journey.